So we have a Zildjian ZHT, which is a B8 bronze cymbal. So kind of more on the, not really student level, but not high end. But it sounds, it's got a very high B8 sound to this flat ride. Sort of like the Pisces. But he does want 4 rivets installed. So we're going to do that. We're going to install 4 rivets so it has a little bit of sustain and sizzle. So let's do that next. Yeah. I'm going to pause it there.
Got it.
So what I've done is I'm going to use a center drill, and then I'll open these up a little bit more for the rivets. I've pre-marked. These are 1 inch from the edge. I've got 4 equally spaced around the cymbal. So we're going to start up our drill press and just go through. That seems to be a little dull. Let's flip it around. Flip it around, that's a little bit dull. I may need to get some new tooling here. What do you think? Maybe?
Potentially.
Potentially. Let's also put a backer on that just to give it a little bit more. There we go. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Much better. Much better. Number 2. Just marked with a Sharpie. A red Sharpie. If you're close enough, that'll be great. I'm just going to deburr these holes on the back side. I went down far enough on the top side. I believe there was a nice chamfer that was created, but I'll just take another larger center drill and deburr and install my standard 1/8 inch cymbal rivets. They're steel rivet with nickel plating, and they are the same rivet that we use in our case repair. Same thing. So I will put these in, and then we'll this will be fun. What we'll do is we'll do one at a time. This is without. Nice high-end sizzle. Here's one. Two. The effect gets greater with more rivets. And the beauty of this is if you don't like the effect of 4, or if you got 6 in here, these cut very easily with just something like this. Just you can cut the back end off. So next we will paint these over on the back side. You can pause that. So I have a steel backer block, and this has got some cork on one side so it'll prevent marring of the cymbal. But I want to jack it up a little bit so it stands up like that. So you just take something that you have handy, like this container, just to elevate it. Anything will work. And then we put the rivet in, which has got an indentation on it, so that'll split open. And this is a rivet peening tool, I guess it would be called. Just take our ball peen hammer and give this a whack. Doesn't need a lot, it just needs to be, then we can do that. And that'll prevent that from coming out. Eventually that does wear out, and these old, you see cymbals that had 6 rivets in them at one time in their life, and they're missing all but one. Sometimes they've been cut off by the player, sometimes they just wear out and they break through. All right, so pretty straightforward process. I think Zildjian sells these, but we just get them from a catalog supply house that has case material, repair material. And they are magnetic. They are steel rivets, but they are nickel plated, so they won't tarnish. There are brass rivets made that have a softer sound. You could use brass, but these are steel. They have a little brighter sound to them. And there you go. Vic for 7A wood tip. Simple rivet installation. We'll see you again.